Hello, Grace Oba here, and you're welcome to this tutorial on how to create a free landing page that would look so professional with no HTML knowledge and web hosting fee. Now I'll be showing you how you can create a landing page, modeling the one I recently created to sell my ebook, and also model a landing page from Expertnia platform to let you know that it's something that actually works and you can use it to promote virtually every product. I'll also be showing you how to shorten your URL to something that looks good in case you don't want the URL to your landing page to be long. Creating a landing page using Google Sites will cost you nothing. It's totally free, and the best part of it is that it will look just the same way as a paid website. There are other free landing page builders like ConvertKit, ConvertFlow, Card.co, Landboat, Lending. You can also collect leads like email and phone numbers of your potential clients. While the listed landing page builders tools may give you free trials for some days or ask you to upgrade to be able to customize your URL to your desired name, well, the Google site is free for life. And of course, Google is a well-recognized name, so it's okay even if the name Google reflects on the URL to your landing page. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Launch a browser, type in Google site, then sign in. Then you can click on sign in here. Now it will bring you to this page, okay? So click on the plus sign to start creating from scratch. You can do a whole lot of things on this page by first removing this to add your own site name and adding logo, okay? If you want to use a template, click on project. You can delete whatever features you don't like on this template page. For example, if you want to delete this particular write-up here, you can click by the side and click delete. Click delete to remove all the things you will not be needing, okay? By the right hand side is all the tools that we will be needing. So when you click on insert, you will see a good number of tools that you can use. The text box, the images, layouts, you can see table of content, button, divider, and a whole lot of tools. You can click on pages to add extra pages by clicking on this plus button here and clicking on new page. And you can also add a theme to your landing page to make it look good. So to add your own site name, you can click here, remove this one, and type in my first landing page. Next is to add your company logo. So click on this logo to remove it. For you to have an option where you'll be able to add your own logo, so click on delete. Click on upload for you to be able to upload your logo from wherever you've stored it on your file. Alright, so this is the landing page we'll be modeling from, as you can see. To add this to your landing page, this is what is called the announcement banner. What you want to do is to click on this setting button here, and you click on announcement banner. Then you click show banner. You add up your message. Of course, you have to include the URL to the site hosting your product or wherever you want your potential client to go whenever they click on your link. So in this case, let me say I want them to come to this particular website where I've hosted this product. So I'll copy the URL to this site, which is actually hosting the product, then paste it here. So, and that's it. If you want to add color to the announcement banner, you can choose from here. You can select any color you want your announcement banner to be in. But I still want to make it to be in blue. Alright. So as you can see, it will appear at the top of your free landing page. Now remember that we are modeling this particular landing page. So we want to add up our header by adding up this image here. Add header, click on add header, then click on header type to either make it a large banner that will just look like this, or banner, or just title alone. Alright, so I prefer using this banner here. Now another thing is that if you want to upload an image from your file, you can simply click on change image and you can upload it here, or you can click on select image to select from this particular site. Alright, you can select any image that you want to appear on the surface of your free landing page. Alright, so since this is all about writing, let's still want to go for this particular image. Let's check this. Alright, it will appear here. So let's check back. You can copy this text and paste it on our landing page. As you can see, it's not looking nice. You can highlight it and choose a good font for it. And you can also choose a theme for this particular text by clicking on theme and then checking it out. When you click on Aristotle, you see you just add little effects to this. You can check on diplomats, you can click on vision to know how it looks like. Alright, so and you can also adjust it to make it look good. So I think this is good now. So next is to start adding your text in different styles to make your landing page look good. Since you are modeling from this particular landing page, the next thing here is to start adding text and your product image. So what you have to do now is to click on insert, then you click on text. It will bring out this outlook. You just have to copy and paste your text here and give it the style that you want it to be in. So let's say I want to copy this here, and you paste it. If you don't want this particular text, you can choose to change whatever thing you don't like here. You can reduce or increase the font here, change the text here by clicking on this button. And also by clicking on this button, you can change the text font, right? Or you can decide to delete it and re-add another text. Next is to, let's check what's next on this landing page. Alright, is to add our product images. Now to do that, simply click on insert, then you choose layout. And of course, this will appear here. Then when you click on this plus button, you can click on upload and it will take you to your file where you can now choose the images that you want to use for your product, or you can select image from this site. So I'll just click on upload here to take me to my file. You can choose this, delete whatever image you don't like by clicking on this place, delete, or here, and it will delete it. Alright, let's say I want to delete this particular text by the side, delete it. Okay, delete it, and you adjust the image to suit the way you want it to look on the site. So in this case, I want to click on double layout, so you can easily click delete to remove this and click on double layout, the plus sign, upload, you choose the image, open. You can click delete from here to delete all this text. But if you want to add a text to this image, that is to say describing it, you can click to add text or just delete and leave just the product image. Delete. You can readjust these images to look just the way you want it to be on the site. Next is to add a different write-up that we've made for the product. Let me copy this. To add text, you click on insert, text box, then you paste the text here. Note that you can change the background of this text here by clicking here and choosing any style that you want from here, or add an image. You copy this, click on text box, and you paste. As you can see, this is not carrying the same style that is in this page, so you can add your own background by clicking on this page and adding your style. Right, you can choose here and add any particular style that you want it to be in. On this particular page, this is looking somehow dark. To tweak your own style format, you can click here or still click on themes, then modify the color. So you can change the color to whatever style you want here by clicking here and change to any color that you want. Alright. Let's leave it at this background, then change this to white. Let's say white. You might also want to change the font style. So you highlight it, click on this, and then choose any particular font style that you like. Let me click for this. So next is to Okay, now add your button. Click on insert, then scroll down to where you see button. Alright, this is it. You click on it and you have to add whatever message you want your button to carry, and also the link where your potential clients will be directed to whenever they click on the link. So let's say I want to say buy now. So for this button background, if you want to change the background style, you can click on here or go to theme, then modify the color by clicking on the desired color that you want. Alright, this is how the landing page is looking so far. And what you want to note is that as you create, you click on publish, you keep publishing in order not to lose some part of your work. So click on publish and add whatever name that you want to appear on the URL of your landing page. Alright, know that this is what will appear on the URL of your landing page. Alright, it is saying this is a great address, but it's already taken. So you have to look for some other name that is free. Let me try digital place. This is also taken. So let me try this digital sales. Alright, so you see this is free and this is what will appear on the URL of your landing page. So you click on publish. Then you continue with creating the rest of the landing page. Next is to add the remaining text that will be on the landing page. So you simply copy and paste on the landing page. Click on insert and scroll up and click on text box. Copy and paste your text here and use whatever style that you want to make it look nice. Click and paste your text. This is just a plain text, as you can see. So you can make it look good by coming here to add a style. State this. Or you can still use this. Wow, this is not looking good. So let's say this. Change the color from here, right? The next thing to do is to add the product link here again. So you click on insert, then click on button to add the message and the URL, okay? But if you don't want to go through this long process again, there's another way to do this. You do that by simply scrolling up. Scroll up, then this particular one that you've created previously, you duplicate it, right? Then you take it down and paste it here. Then you readjust. Next is to add up this text. You copy, insert, text box, and you paste. Okay, then look out on the page you're modeling from. You just simply have to copy this text here. Then you click on insert, text box, and you paste it. Note that when you are creating your own particular landing page, you can simply be copying and pasting from whatever tools that you've used to store your write-up for the landing page, maybe on Google Doc or MS Word or other writing apps. So next, when you click here, you can see that this particular image is embedded, is kind of embedded into this text. So you can do that for your own landing page by clicking on this particular button here. Then click on image and it will take you to your file where you'll be able to choose the particular image that you want and the text will appear on the image. I can still click to publish and click on publish. In the concluding part of this, you can click on this button, duplicate it and drag it down to wherever you want it to be, then add up other write-ups that you want to be on the landing page. You see, You click on this, you click duplicate, then you drag it down, paste it here. Click on text box, and you paste. Add this particular one. This is not looking nice, so let's go with this. Alright, so next, to add this, you can click on insert, choose the particular layout style that you want. So I can choose to click this particular one, then upload your image. Adjust it to whatever size you want it to be in. Then click here to add text. Just simply copy this and paste it. Great. So since I'm not adding any other text here, I can click on delete to delete this layout. And still readjust this image to make it fit in. Now next is to edit your footer, which include adding email address, phone number, or you can also add disclaimer, your contacts, privacy, and all that. Copy this. So your disclaimer, and you can add any other statement that you feel is right to be on this section. To edit your footer, click email to add up your email, your address, and phone number. Then you click on publish and publish. So now if you have bonuses and you want your potential client to be directed to where they'll get access to your bonuses, maybe your WhatsApp link, you want them to chat you up on WhatsApp after purchasing the product and you giving them the bonuses, you can add your WhatsApp link. So let's say you want to convert this particular button to WhatsApp link. You click here, then you remove this and add your WhatsApp link. So I'll just copy mine. And I'll paste it here. And maybe you can write WhatsApp here. Or you can say click for your free bonuses. In case they want to make a direct bank transfer to your account and you forwarding the products to them. Okay, let's see your WhatsApp link. Move this to say WhatsApp. So finally, you can click on this icon here to copy the URL to your landing page. Alright. Well, as you can see, it's containing this home here. So to remove this and add whatever name or feature or text that you want to be there, what you want to do now is to click on pages and remove this home. Let me see, I want to write my name there. So you click on publish. Now you can see it is now bearing this. So when you click on the link and it will make an automatic change to it, then you can now copy the link. So I'll paste the link here. Alright. And again, if you are promoting any product on any affiliate platform, you might want to use your affiliate link, then create a button for it. There's an important fact you need to note. When you go to pages, you can see frequently asked questions, themes, history, alright. You can delete it if you don't want to add a frequently asked question about the product by clicking on this three dots here and click delete. You can delete all this. If you have a custom domain and you want to utilize the URL you can click on this setting button here, click custom domain, then start setup and add the link. All right. So once you click on this icon here and you copy the URL of the landing page, you are all set up to start promoting your product. I'll proceed to show you how you can now shorten the link if you don't want it to be too long. Right? Thank you.